In this video, I'll show you how to show the FPS in Marvel Rivals. So all you have to do is launch the game on your PC and access this homepage. And then from here, simply press the escape button on your keyboard to access this menu. Then select settings. Now within the settings page, ensure that you're on the display section. So select display and then scroll down and find show FPS. So by default, it has been turned off. So to enable it, simply click on it and you should see a check mark icon showing you that it has been enabled. Now you have to apply the changes. So all you have to do is click on apply at the bottom, or you can simply press the assigned keybind, which is enter, and the changes will be applied. So you'll notice the FPS appear on the right, on the top right corner, and you'll see this during the matches or even at the homepage, as you can see. So that's basically it on how to show the FPS in Marvel Rivals. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.